Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Bits. Sorry I did not upload for I think 3 months. I'm really sorry that I did that. But today I've come up with a new craft that is how to make a panda keychain, and it's quite actually nice and easy to make. So let's get started with the video. The face, I'm cutting someone like an oval shape like this. For the ears, I've cut two small black carved foams and I've shaped them really nicely. Are for the eyes, like those eye patches they have. Now you stick your panda to your keychain all nicely. And you're all done. I've stuck those decorations that I made punching white and black craft foam, and it looks really nice. You can draw the eyes if you want. I did not draw because I'm really bad at drawing. You can draw kawaii eyes, it'll look really great. So yeah, that's all what I made. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye, see you next time.